Welcome to your guide on finding exactly what you need within Telegram's web experience. Today, we're diving into the latest update that makes discovering content and tools smoother than ever. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. Whether you're using Chrome, Safari, or any other browser, head to the official Telegram web page and log in using your preferred method. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with a clean, updated interface designed to keep everything within reach. Now, locate the search bar at the top left corner of your screen. It's your gateway to navigating messages, groups, and, with this new update, mini apps. Click on the search field, and you'll notice a fresh drop-down menu with categories. Look for the Apps tab here. This is where Telegram now centralizes all its integrated tools and services. Select Apps, and you'll unlock access to Telegram's growing ecosystem of mini apps. These lightweight tools run seamlessly within the platform, from productivity boosters to entertainment hubs. The search bar will now prioritize apps related to your query. Type keywords like Task Manager, Language Translator, or Music Player to filter results. Telegram's algorithm will surface relevant options instantly. Let's say you're searching for a note-taking app. Type Notes into the search bar after selecting the Apps category. Results might include a simple checklist tool, a collaborative workspace, or even a voice memo recorder. Each app preview shows a brief description, ratings, and a launch button. Click it to start using the app immediately. No downloads, no new tabs. What makes this feature stand out? Telegram's mini apps are built for speed. They load in seconds and integrate directly with your chats. Found an app you'll use often? Pin it to your sidebar for quick access later. As you explore, remember that these apps are powered by Telegram's Web3 friendly infrastructure. Some might even connect to decentralized services, giving you a taste of blockchain functionality without leaving your chat window. And there you have it, Telegram Web's enhanced search for apps, putting powerful tools right at your fingertips. Whether you're streamlining workflows or exploring new utilities, this update transforms how you interact with the platform. Happy searching!